Hi, my name is Judge Yvette Rowland, and I'm the supervising judge in the hearing department of the State Bar of California. It is my distinct pleasure to swear in the 2020 through 2021 officers of the Black Women Lawyers Association of Los Angeles, Inc. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Jasmine Horton.
I, Shirley Scahan.
I, Angela Morales.
Do solemnly swear
Do solemnly swear
that I will uphold and defend
that I will uphold and defend
the Constitution and the bylaws of the Black Women Lawyers Association of Los Angeles, Inc.
The Constitution and the bylaws
of the Black Women Lawyers Association of Los Angeles,
Inc.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
That I take this obligation freely and voluntarily
That I will take this obligation freely and voluntarily
without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
And that I will well and faithfully discharge the duties of the office to which I have been duly elected.
And that I will well and faithfully
discharge the duties of the office to
office
which
which
I
I have been duly
elected.
elected.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.